Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance Groundings, Fines and FAA Reforms shake aviation aircraft grounded, airlines fined, and big changes at the FAA. The aviation industry has been abuzz with significant developments, ranging from grounded aircraft to hefty fines for airlines and sweeping changes at the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. These events highlight the industry's ongoing challenges and the measures being implemented to ensure passenger safety, operational integrity, and regulatory compliance. Grounded aircraft. A wake-up call for safety. Aircraft groundings are not new in the aviation world, but their frequency and implications continue to draw attention. Recently, several airlines have been forced to ground specific aircraft models due to safety concerns. For instance, ongoing inspections revealed structural fatigue in older models of widely used aircraft, leading to temporary fleet reductions. Such groundings often stem from manufacturer advisories or regulatory mandates following incidents or anomalies. In some cases, airlines preemptively ground their fleets to ensure compliance with safety standards. The impact is multifaceted. Passengers face cancellations and delays, while airlines grapple with operational disruptions and financial losses. The incidents underscore the critical role of regular maintenance and rigorous oversight in preventing accidents. Fines for airlines. Accountability takes center stage in a parallel development. Several airlines have faced hefty fines for various violations, including overbooking, mishandling passenger complaints, and inadequate compensation for flight disruptions. The FAA and the Department of Transportation, DOT, have been increasingly stringent in enforcing passenger rights and safety regulations. For instance, a major carrier was recently fined millions of dollars for failing to refund passengers promptly during a spate of cancellations caused by weather-related disruptions. Another airline was penalized for repeated maintenance lapses that jeopardized operational safety. These fines serve as a stark reminder that airlines must uphold the highest standards of customer service and operational integrity. The penalties also reinforce regulatory authorities' commitment to holding carriers accountable, thereby restoring public trust in the aviation sector. Big changes at the FAA. A new era of oversight. Amid these challenges, the FAA has announced a series of reforms aimed at modernizing its oversight mechanisms and addressing systemic issues. These changes are particularly significant as the agency grapples with increasing scrutiny following high-profile incidents and growing passenger expectations. Enhanced safety inspections. The FAA is intensifying its inspection protocols for both airlines and aircraft manufacturers. This includes unannounced audits and a more robust certification process for new aircraft models. The move is expected to mitigate risks and enhance the reliability of emerging technologies. Digital transformation. To streamline operations and improve transparency, the FAA is investing heavily in digital tools. This includes implementing real-time monitoring systems and leveraging artificial intelligence to predict and mitigate potential safety hazards. Focus on climate and sustainability. In alignment with global efforts to combat climate change, the FAA is prioritizing sustainable aviation practices. This includes encouraging the adoption of cleaner fuels, supporting the development of electric and hybrid aircraft, and imposing stricter emission standards. Strengthened workforce training. Recognizing the need for highly skilled personnel, the FAA is expanding its training programs for inspectors and other key staff. This initiative aims to address skill gaps and ensure that the workforce is equipped to handle evolving challenges in aviation. Industry implications. The combined impact of grounded aircraft, airline fines, and FAA reforms signals a transformative phase for the aviation industry. Airlines are under increased pressure to prioritize safety and compliance while maintaining operational efficiency. Passengers, on the other hand, stand to benefit from improved safety standards, better service quality, and stronger consumer protections. However, these changes are not without challenges. For airlines, adapting to stricter regulations and addressing operational disruptions requires significant investment and strategic planning. The FAA's reforms also demand collaboration with industry stakeholders to ensure seamless implementation and widespread adoption. Looking ahead as the aviation sector navigates these turbulent times, the focus remains on building a safer, more sustainable, and passenger-centric industry. The grounding of aircraft, though disruptive, underscores the importance of proactive safety measures. Fines for airlines highlight the necessity of accountability and adherence to regulations. Meanwhile, the FAA's reforms represent a commitment to innovation and excellence in oversight. Ultimately, these developments serve as a reminder that in aviation, safety and reliability are paramount. By addressing current challenges and embracing change, the industry can emerge stronger, more resilient, and better equipped to meet the demands of a dynamic global landscape. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.